Okay, so what we have here is a higher fridge that's not functional. The front panel is not working. So we're going to have a look around the back and expose the PCB motherboard. And doing that, we can see that there's a little switch on it, a little tactile push switch. We'll try pushing that for a reset. And alas, nothing works. So what we're going to do now is we're going to remove the top plastic cover of the fridge. 4 screws there, and there's a cover on top of the door as well that just pulls out. So we'll remove that, disconnecting the light, which I've already done there, and then we're going to pull out the wires. There's plenty of extra wire here that we can use to extend the wiring where the break is. Now, removing the hinge cover exposes where the fatal flaw in their design is. The rubbing there has managed to sever through 4 of the 5 wires. So what we're going to do is we're going to release this wire, and once we've released it, we'll move it along a little bit and try and effect a solder repair. Now, I'm not showing you the solder repair because that was me standing on a step ladder and it was awkward to say the least, but we put some heat shrink wrapping on it and then bound it up with some electrical tape to make a little tougher joint. There are the wires exposed, and here are the wires soldered together again. Now, once we've got those together, we'll press the button, and lo and behold, our fridge is now working. So that's success, $5 repair job. Don't forget to plug the light in. Thanks for watching.